Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're going to be walking through a Crest Classic 220 LX. Up here in the bow of the boat you're going to have a wonderful seating area for 4 to 6 people. You're going to have 2 USB ports, 2 speakers, and a nice cooler drawer system underneath. Here in the middle of the boat you're going to have my favorite part of the boat. It's a nice little storage system that will give you 3 drawers. The top one is lockable for any of your needs. Second entrance right there, and back here in the back it's going to be a nice convertible back section. You have an L shape here if you want to sit and entertain while you're driving, or by pulling the seat forward and this all the way back, you've turned this into a bed. This is beautiful for people that want to hang out in the water or just watch some sunsets off the back of the boat, or just fireworks on 4th of July. We'd love to show you this boat and some more of the Crest, so when you get a chance, click the link below and give us a call.